So here's how we make the pizza dough. In a bowl, as you can see here, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add 2 packs of instant dry active yeast. If you use regular active dry yeast, not the instant stuff, then you will have to warm up the beer to about 110, give or take. Then we want to add a teaspoon and a half of sea salt. And then you want to add 16 ounces or 1 tall boy of beer. Can be pretty much any beer you like. I just go with Budweiser because that's what I like. Okie dokie. Then we just want to get our paddle attachment and turn it on and let this mix around, knead around for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I took the dough out, formed it into a ball, got about a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon worth of olive oil, covered it. Then I covered the bowl with a towel, put it in a depowered oven, oven that's turned off, and let that proof for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Then I divided it into 5-ounce balls, covered them on a baking sheet, and let them proof again for about 45 minutes. Now, if you want this dough to develop flavor further, seal the, put it in either a Tupperware thing and seal that, or cover this in clear film and leave that down in the fridge for 24 to 72 hours. All right, that's pretty much the dough recipe. Here's how you make my classic pizza sauce. You take 28 ounces of tomato sauce, add a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. All right, and then you want to combine everything in a crock pot with a little whisk here. Then you want to cook covered for at least 1 hour on high, and then at least 1 more hour on low. And then just keep it on low and just use it while you're making your pizzas. And that's pretty much the pizza sauce. Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. Coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the bell notification. Don't forget to leave a comment as it helps the channel out a ton. All right, let's get into this. We have a 4 white cheese pizza. As you can see here, we have our dough and our sauce. Specifically, this is a 9-inch pizza in a 9-inch pizza pan. You can pick them up on Amazon. If you want to know the weight of the dough, it's about 5 ounces, the ball that I used. If you want a little thicker crust, go up to 6 ounces. And again, I added a fairly generous amount of sauce, but that's me. I like saucy pizza. Okay, and then we want to add the first of our cheeses, which is Gorgonzola. And then we want to add a mozzarella and provolone mix. And then we want to add just a dusting of Parmesan cheese. Then we want to load this into a 550-degree oven, or as high as your oven will go. And we want to lower the rack of the oven to the lowest possible, as low as your oven will allow it to go. And then we want to bake this for 5 to 6 minutes. And then let's jump ahead in time. After 5 to 6 minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. And that's pretty much that. 4 white cheese pizza. Done.